I want to bring my outlet closer to the kitchen by the table. Simply plug in, extend, push your TV back, level or bring it down to the height you need, and use the self-adhesive Velcro to hire to the back. We have here two 110 volts, a USB-A and a USB-C, a modern AC outlet and extender. For my needs, the cutout fits perfectly right against the wall by the laundromat. It gives me an additional outlet as well as my USB-A, USB-C, so I could do my work and all. We are going to demonstrate showing you where the outlet is at and then adhere the Velcro for you. We're going to go over in detail about the unit. You're supplied with white Velcro adhesive stickers. You're given one hard plastic loop that goes onto the back of the unit and three soft that go onto three individual areas. Clean, peel, adhere the extended outlet close. Measures 17 inches edge to edge. When opening in full, it extends by pulling and has an opening of 27 inches maximum. With an outlet facing straight up, simply plug in and has a rotation of up to 180 degrees by holding and rotating from one side 90 degrees to the opposite side 180 degrees. Please pay attention to the ground outlet. Facing to the right, the outlet must face to the left-hand side. It will not be able to face to the right-hand side with the ground to the right. With outlets embedded inward or outward to extension outlets, this will not sit on the wall correctly. On the top of the outlet, we have an indentation that you could put your smartphone and rest against, or when on the side, you could simply rest your phone. And please remember, the Velcro adheres and only holds a certain amount of weight. For places behind couches, simply move, rotate correctly to the outlet, plug in, hold, and extend to the height you need. Mark and put the Velcro on and push the couch back, and you now have an outlet so you can reach rather going behind the couch. With optional cables plugging in, the green has power. Plug in your smartphone and rest it on the back carefully. You have a 110 volt USB-A, USB-C outlet. Match up the outlet 90 degrees and you have an outlet for your needs. You're looking to extend your outlet and have an outlet for all your needs. This may be something that you're looking for. Rather than bending down, plugging in, extend it to the height you need, waist height, 3 feet off the floor. I hope you enjoy your outlet, a 15 amp rated outlet of your existing AC 110. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.